Hey guys, Kyle here from Amato Painting again. Just checking in. We're going to make a quick video today as I'm in here honestly hiding from the heat because it's about 110 degrees outside. And I'm just going to make a couple of quick videos, some frequently asked question videos, some questions about the cabinets that we get quite a bit. You're looking at replacing your cabinets or giving your kitchen an upgrade. You're probably going to get prices for replacing the cabinet faces and the cabinetry itself. We go out on a lot of cabinet estimates to look at repainting them after they have had those estimates and they're in shock. They're looking at anywhere between $8,000 to $12,000 usually on the size cabinets that we're looking at to replace just the doors and reface the cabinets. They could also be looking at doing the whole cabinetry job, and at that point they're probably looking at $12,000 to $16,000 to replace the cabinets. And our advice to the homeowners that are looking to do this, especially newer homeowners, is there's not a lot of difference in how the cabinets are made these days, and you're probably going to be picking a white cabinet anyways. So why don't you let us give you an estimate, come out, we'll discuss the process with you. A lot of times we can give you a roundabout price even without coming out to your house and using any of your time up in that nature. We can give you a price over the internet, over an email. If that fits in your budget range, at that point we can set up something, come out to your house or your site, look at what you're looking to have done, give you an actual real number, and go from there. In my experience, you're probably looking at anywhere from $2,500 to $4,000 to paint the size cabinets on the pricing that I gave you before. It's a lot easier process. It's a lot less disruptive to your home. You can still see the characteristics of the cabinets sometimes, so they still will remain wood. You still will be able to see wood grain, but you will have a nice freshened up white, or whatever color you choose, white being the most popular right now, set of cabinets. Make your kitchen look a lot bigger, a lot easier to clean, and just a more updated modern look for your kitchen cabinets. If you have any questions about getting your kitchen cabinets painted, you could email us at bidrequest@ryanamatopaintingllc.com, or you can give us a call at 484-821-7112. Hope everybody has a happy 4th of July and stay cool out there.